This is Arkneil Gaming and we're going to get a newbie skin on our second account. We already have 1,206 tokens and all I can say is this account is pretty lucky because in only 101 draws, we were able to obtain 1,206 newbie crest. And not only that, we were able to get a lot of effects. The only thing that we did not get is this elimination effect. I saved a lot of diamonds because I was able to get duplicate recalls. Like, I think I got this helicopter recall twice in a duplicate draw. So, that's an easy 45 each per duplicate. So, that's 90 tokens. So, the skin that I'm going to get in this account is Newbie's Fredrin because I'm a Fredrin main. And I love this skin. And Fredrin is meta still. The jungler role.
Detective Fredrin on the case 24/7.
Additional 3,000 collection points. Just got buffed, so he's back in the meta, guys. What skin did you get? This is my 549 skin on my second account. I'm grinding for World Collector on my second account as well. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Let's get this as well.